It does have some more depth to it, so there's definitely more characterization. I'm Dr. Frederick Solomon, and I'm a cosmetic and reconstructive dentist in downtown Manhattan.
I'm going to give you a standard zirconia crown.
I don't really see a lot of translucency per se. They are zirconia teeth, but they're very nice teeth nonetheless.
This is the new dandy Polychromatic Shade crown.
The Polychromatic Shade crown is also a beautiful crown. It does have some more depth to it. It has a soft transition towards the incisal edge, which appears more translucent, and there's a little more warmth in the cervical, so there's definitely more characterization. I think I would pick between the two crowns the polychromatic crown. Something should be faster, something should be less expensive, and something at the end of the day should be a better product. I think this checks all of those boxes.